All right, enough is enough. I'm doing it. I'm going outside. I'm taking it outside. You understand? We're going outside now. We're done with this. Come on, Philip. Let's go. We're going to do this. I have came outside. Let's go to the shop. Come on, DJD.
Back to life.
Hey everybody, all right, finally, man, I'm back. It took me this long, a lot of things. Hey, it took me a while, man. You know what I'm saying? I'm not a rich guy. I don't have any sponsors. All I got is y'all. And you know what? I'm thankful for that. I'm very thankful if you had liked and subscribed, because you have no idea how encouraging that was. And that is one thing that we really got to stop in America now. We are steadily discouraging each other. That really is not good. That is why America is not great. It's not because our president. It's because we're not encouraging each other. And this is what this is all about for me. So I built this is my project. Let's check it out real quick.
Clap your hands, everybody. Clap your hands, everybody. Don't ask me. Clap your hands. Because I don't know why. Clap your hands, everybody.
What are you waiting for, huh?
Alright, so I'm back in my shop a little here, and I don't know. I'm getting a little bit of transfer power thing here, you know. Something still giving me a little drag. I haven't quite got that because that works fine. You know, the dual freewheel's working fine, and and like I said, when I'm pedaling, you know, I just want to be able to pedal just the tire, you know. Which that's fine. That's still working fine. Took my tensioners off right now because I feel like maybe my spring is too strong. You know, so I might put a smaller spring in there or something just to, you know, I think it's putting a lot of pressure on the chain, which is giving it more drag, which, like I said, with my weight and the weight of the bike and the weight of the battery, you know, all of that's causing, you know, loss of speed. You know, I'm a beginning 3D printer. You know, so, you know, this is my first attempt at the designs and everything. So, you know, they might be like how Tesla's truck looked when it first came out. You know, everybody seen that box and was cracking on it. You know, talking about, man, that's ugly, you know. Don't matter. When you're trying to create something and make something, you don't care. Nobody cares. I'm not worried about the looks on this one. Again, this is prototype 6. The bike that I'm gonna give away, actually earlier I said prototype 6, but the one I'm giving away will be prototype 7. Let's go for the stereo system real quick. See, music, I'm gonna find some of my own music, DJ D's, because you know, I need my own music to be playing. Oh, wait a minute, it's not connected. Yeah, it is Bluetooth. This is where I changed my speeds from high to low to medium.
Hands, everybody! Hands, everybody!
Yeah, that's my seat. You know, like I said, I learned how to use a foam cutter. Just try to shape it and curve it. So it was my first attempt, you know, hey. Now I know what I can do in the future. But the main thing was framing the steel to hold that big battery right there. And even my tensioners, I mean, you know, they're, hey, first designs. By the way, that's my old seat. Alright. And it is covered with the inside of my wife's jacket that she was throwing away. I just like the fur. So I made me a fur seat. You know. And I didn't look to go buy nobody's on Amazon. I wanted my own.
Everybody!
Oh yeah, and my wheels. These are glow in the dark. My center caps, yeah, had to pretty each one, and they actually glow in the dark. Finally got me some air shocks. And I've even let out the air one time just to let it look a little bit lower, you know. Everybody tries to do that just to lower the bike and everything, but it actually rides better high. Cup holder. These are designed to hold the bike up. Oh yeah, let's get into the trailer. I was gonna wire brake lights, but I said, I went on just at least put the tail lights. Got tail lights on it. Caution sign lights up. Okay. And this is where the drone takes off from. The way I connect them, I just got me a network cable connector, crimped it on, and basically that's how I connect my lights, through a network cable. Okay. But got me a couple of Harbor Freight fat tires, you know, and yeah, just to match the bike theme. It's fat on fat on fat. Alright, I know a lot of y'all saying, you know, what makes me so big and bad about this thing?